Hey YouTube, welcome back to Minivanning with Kathy, and welcome back to another video. Hey guys, we had a crazy windstorm yesterday. I mean insane winds here in Quartzsite, Arizona, and behind me is a little bit of the aftermath. Crazy. Peeled the roof off of that thing like it was nothing. Look at that. Crazy. Woo! Well guys, I'm on private property, so I gotta get out of here. I've got a little curveball thrown at me here, and I've had a lot of those lately. So I was going to get my oil changed, as you know, and start heading towards seeing my family before I headed to West Virginia. So I was doing some errands yesterday, and my check engine light starts blinking. Blinking, not illuminating, but blinking. So check engine light's blinking. The TSC light starts illuminating, and the engine just starts shuddering. You know, I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. So I knew something, you know, obviously is definitely wrong. The engine is misfiring. So I started thinking, trying to get out of the wind. Started thinking, what do I need to do? What do I need to do right now? I'm here by myself. So the first thing I thought I needed to do was to get my trailer off of BLM land, because I have no way of getting any supplies there. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know how long I'm going to be stranded. And so, and to get some food, just in case. Things don't happen real fast here in Quartzsite. So, even though, you know, I was afraid to drive it, I had to get that trailer off BLM land. I had to. So I hitched it up, and I got it somewhere where I could survive, where I could get water, propane, gas, close vicinity to get these things. Well, that was yesterday. And then we had the windstorm of all windstorms. I was talking to my mom on the phone, and I heard this big bang. I thought somebody hit me. And oh no, it had taken the back of my door and flown it all the way open, blew it all the way open. When I got out, that thing was sticking straight up in the air. That is hard to do on the aerodynamics of this trailer. So it was a wild ride. Everything is covered in dust. The trailer, the car, everything. So anyway, I go get the trailer off BLM land. I was way out. And I start Googling mechanics. What do? You know, I'm here alone. You know, mechanics. Oh my gosh, everybody knows about mechanics. So anyway, let me get River. So anyway, baby. River, come here. River, you okay? Be still. She's all right. Okay, so I start Googling mechanics. Oh, what a nightmare. And I start researching what this thing is doing, what I think is wrong. I never like to go into a mechanic saying, I don't know what's wrong, you know. Always do your research and fake it till you make it. If you don't know, fake like you do. And so anyway, called the mechanic this morning, told him what it was doing. I think it's a ignition coil, and it is misfiring. So I asked him, can I drive it to you? He said, if your check engine light is blinking, I suggest you not drive it. So here I am, and oh wait, okay, I need to make an appointment because I did all my research. This was the best mechanic with the reviews in town. It's a family-owned business. 1 week from today. 1 week is my scheduled appointment for the mechanic to look at my car. This morning I woke up and I could feel the tears started coming a little bit, and I started getting upset. And you know, me and my mom always say, it's all how you look at it, how you look at your situation. So here's the deal. So I wiped off the tears, and I wasn't, I just had a moment of, you know. And as anyone could understand, I've been through a little bit the past couple of weeks. Anyway, so I wiped off the tears, and I said, you know what? I said, so I'm here in a parking lot, and I have no car for a week. You know what? I am going to embrace that. For 1 week, I'm going to live the life of all the people I see around me that walk everywhere in this town. And there's also a little thing called the Camel Express. Yes, that is the transportation name here, the Camel Express. So I'm going to hop on the Camel Express. I just ordered River's food. River has to have special food. It's the Science Diet lamb and rice. She doesn't do well with chicken. We have to have that delivered. So I'm going to have to get the transportation to take me over to Quiet Times to pick up my packages. I have 3 packages there. Take me back. 1 week from today, I will call AAA to come tow the van to the mechanic. So 1 week, me and Pat Turner pat them feet and turn them corners. So welcome to the life of a nomad. Welcome to my life. It's all on how you look at it. Do I go inside my trailer and pull the sheets over my head and say, why me? Why can't I get a break? What is happening? Or do I say, I've got 1 week to embrace this, you know, wonderful town on foot. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to take you with me. And, you know, like I said, it's all how you look at it. I have food, I have money. I'm okay, you know, I'm okay. I'm just going to enjoy the ride. No one said it was always smooth, but it's all on how you look at it. And I'm carless, stranded in Quartzsite. What do you do? Pat them feet, turn them corners, and go explore around you. And if I had my car, I never would. I mean, I explore, you know, but on foot, I don't know what's going to happen. We'll see. and I'll take you along, and hopefully I don't get kicked out of where I am right now. I really need to be able to stay here for the week that it's happening. And I'm moving over here because River's causing commotion. So I hope I don't get kicked out the week that I'm here. And we'll see what the mechanic has to say about my van. And I think it's an ignition coil. And we'll deal with that when it happens. So, alright guys, well, stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated. And you know, it's all about the attitude, guys. It's all about the attitude. We don't know what'll happen in the week of, like I said, me just walking around, and I embrace it. I embrace it. And you know what I feel? I feel like I'm engaged in life, you know? I'm feeling pain. I'm feeling, you know, a little bit of worry and fear, and in my moment right now, all these emotions are happening, and it's kind of like an adventure, you know, like I'm on life's adventure and life's challenges. And like I said in my you know, in my description of my channel, I say embracing life with all its beauty and challenges, and I invite you along for the ride. So welcome to the ride. Alright guys, stay tuned. May the sun light up your days and the stars light up your nights. Until next time, YouTube, we'll see you.